Good morning. Today we're going to do another slow cook. Today it's going to be a lamb shoulder and beef short ribs. So with the beef short ribs, I've done it with an activated charcoal rub, hardcore carnivore, just Priles, and just some sea salt on the lamb shoulder. Today we're going to smoke these in the Weber using the snake method. I'll show you a bit about that now. Cheers. Okay, with the snake method, I've put about 2 litres in a aluminium foil tray of water just in the middle, and then I've put heat beads all around the barbecue. Okay, so what's going to happen is those heat beads at the start are going to heat up, and that's going to move around to the smoking chips. And I've only put smoking chips, mesquite I've used here, for the first half of the cook. So those coals will catch a light here and slowly catch a light alongside each other in a snake method, if you like, and that'll give me about 14 hours of cook time for smoking my ribs and my lamb shoulder. Okay, I've put my grate back on top of my Weber, and now on with the meat. Lid goes down, and we'll see it in about 6 to 10 hours, depending on temperature in the middle. We're going to wrap it in the crutch hold with some aluminium foil just to rest once it gets to ideal degree of doneness in the center. Magic. Absolute magic. The best of both worlds, Australian lamb and Australian beef. That's what we're all about. Let's give them a spritz. Okay, back in the cook we go. Okay, so we've reached an internal temperature of 71 degrees. Now we'll put these short ribs in what they call the crutch, and then we'll put them back in for the remainder of the cook. So you want to go tight with the foil. Probably even just one more. And then back on, and we'll repeat the process with the lamb shoulder as well. All right, we've hit 95 degrees Celsius. Now we're going to take these out, and I've checked them straight into the esky. All right, it's a big reveal. We've rested these now. It's time to carve. Oh, look at the back. Look at the back on that. Look at the back on that. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. It just sticks. See that juice? Wow. Oh, mate, can't. Look at that.
That's beautiful.
Look at that. Oh, the first rib bone just came straight out.
Yeah.
All right, here we go.
Perfect.
Look at that. Look at that. In the Weber. The second one. It's just like butter. It's honestly like butter, Khan. Look at that.
That smells nice, bro. What's this?
Look at the smoke ring.
Wagyu?
No, it's just normal short rib. Alright, now here we go again. Just done in the Weber.
Where's the
Look at the juice.
Insane.
That's out of control. So they're ready to eat. Put those bad boys together. Now let's cook the lamb. The final reveal. Oh, carny boy, carny boy. Right, same thing. Look at that. We're just gonna pull the bone straight out with this can.
Wow.
No meat. Look at that. Shank bone. Straight off.
Straight off.
4/4 bone. Look at this, just straight out, mate. All clean. Not even none for the dog. Alright, now this is the lamb.
That smells beautiful.
And there you go. Right, so it's just beautiful Australian meat. That lamb, we're going to eat it soon, so I just don't want to stretch it up. But if you just look at that, it's just beautifully smoked.
Yeah.
Beautiful smoke ring. Right, these shorties, have a look at this. Alright, it's just the greatest of both, lamb shoulder and short ribs, 2 secondary cuts. So there we go. Take it the way you want. Done on the charcoal. Australian lamb. Australian beef. I'm Chef Sam Burke, live from the backyard, another adventure. Khan the video guy. We'll see you next time.